Hi everyone, welcome to the Ultimate Calculus Guide. In this series, we explore limits, derivatives, and integrals step by step, like a dictionary of rules. Each lesson of this series focuses on a group of related functions. And here in this video, we will see constant multiple rule, and we will see those examples. We have 5 examples here. First rule, if we have any constant multiple in a differentiation, this constant multiple will not affect the derivative. So we just ignore it. And secondly, we just know the derivative of power functions. What was the derivative of a power function x to the n? We just take the exponent as multiplication here, then subtract 1 from the exponent. This is the derivative of x to the n. And if we have square root of function or reciprocal function, we firstly rewrite them as power functions, and after that we will take the derivative as power functions. Firstly, our first example, 3 times x to the 5. We will ignore 3 here, 3 times, and we will take the derivative of x to the 5. Firstly, we will take this exponent as multiplication, 5 times, then we will subtract 1 from the exponent. Then the derivative will be 3 times 5, 15 times x to the power of 4. For the next example, just ignore 5 and say 5, and the exponent will come here as multiplication, minus 3, and subtract 1 from the exponent. Then the derivative will be 15 times x to the power of minus 4. And here, 4 times square root of x. Firstly, we write the square root function as power function, and this function will be 4 times x to the power of 1 over 2. Then the constant multiple stays here, and we will take the exponent as coefficient or multiplication, 1 over 2 times x to the power, and we will subtract 1 from the exponent. Then this will be equal to 2 times x to the power of minus 1 over 2. And this is the derivative. And for this function, 5 times 1 over x, this will be firstly we first rewrite it as power function again. 5 times x to the power of 1, and then take the derivative. 5 stays here, and we will take the exponent here as multiplication, 5 times minus 1, then subtract 1 from the exponent. Then this will be equal to minus 5 times x to the power of minus 2. And the answer is this. And the last one, we will first rewrite this function again as power function, and this function will be equal to 4 times x to the power of minus 1 over 3. And after that we will take the derivative, 4 times, take the exponent as multiplication, minus 1 over 3 times x to the power of minus 1 over 3, and subtract 1 from the exponent. Then this will be equal to minus 4 over 3 x to the power of minus 4 over 3. And this is the answer. See you in the next video.